Hello, good morning, students. Today's transcription number 166 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. I should like to deal only with some important departments. I shall take first the Defense Department. The allocation of the Defense Department, which in the budget of the last year was rupees 800 crores, has been reduced to about rupees 700 crores. Is it because the defense requirements have diminished in number? I have come to know that recruitment to the forces has been stopped. At what number has it been stopped? In the present emergency, soon after the incursion of the Chinese, it was hoped that our defense forces would be raised to the number of 2 millions. Has at least 1 million been reached so far? The war with China can never be considered to be a war of limited liability. Modern wars are wars of unlimited liability, and we cannot say that recruitment of 500,000 troops would be just enough to meet the requirements of national defense. For let us remember that there are not two fronts, the Ladakh front and the Nefa front, that we have to deal with, but there is the Pakistan front also that we have to contend with, and the Pakistan front consists of two fronts, one on the west and one on the east. I should like the Defense Ministry to consider whether the recruitment so far attained is enough to meet our defense requirements on all these four fronts. Then, in regard to weapons, I find no provision is made for the manufacture of machine guns, which are so necessary in modern warfare, especially to stop the incursion of large masses of troops, such as we experienced at the time of the Chinese incursion on the Nefa border. We have been promised that in course of time the naval defense would be supplied with that modern weapon of defense, namely the submarine. To this end, officers have been sent to the United Kingdom to learn how to handle submarines. I hope and trust that very soon we shall acquire at least two submarines. I would suggest that the useless aircraft carrier, which serves no defense purpose at all, at present upon which rupees 30 crores were spent, and the maintenance of which comes to about 6 crores of rupees a year, might be sold to some power that requires an aircraft carrier, and the amount thus realized might be spent on the purchase of submarines.